Year in, year out, Ondo State has maintained the status among vulnerable places in Nigeria prone to flooding on NiMet's list. In the latest forecast, Ondo State made the list of top states to experience the disaster in the country. Some flashpoints in Akure and Ondo State annually record losses of lives and property.
3 years ago, 2 people got drowned through this water, and anytime it rains like this, we are always kept indoors.
To address this, Ondo State government embarked on early dredging of waterways across the state. Visits to places in Akure and other local government areas show evidences of government's efforts, as the waterways are not just being expanded but also deeper than it was. Water is now moving freely in several places like Ala River, Red Osisi Water, Adisupa, Oritaobele and others.
Ṣùgbọ́n a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó ń ṣe iṣẹ́ lórúkọ Jésù, Ọlọ́run á túbọ̀ máa fún wọn lókun àti agbára.
Bí mo ṣe rí machine báyìí, inú mi dùn. Èmi ní ìgbàgbọ́ pé lágbára Ọlọ́run ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ láti lè ṣe débi tí a fẹ́ kó má fẹ́ tiwa mọ́.
Residents, however, called for more comprehensive solutions, including the reconstruction of the Fiwashaye Bridge, which, according to them, is too small to handle the water volume.
That bridge at Fiwashaye, that bridge had to be replaced. Because they need to remove that bridge and put the wider one that can. Because by the time the water is passing that place, at times it needs to block. Some refuge that is backing along to block, and water will bounce back and going to destroy our property.
Gbogbo mi Akure gbogbo tójó tí rọ̀ gbogbo ibi ló máa padà sí. So this to me bí ṣe máa high ni. So omi tó dẹ̀ ń panú canal ó high ju àdúgbò yìí lọ. So tó bá ti wá ga sókè bẹ́ẹ̀ á yà sádùúgbò. So tó bá lè bá ṣe kó bó ṣe ṣe kó fẹ́ kó ṣe concrete sí. So we so happy.
Reacting, Special Assistant to Governor Ayedatiwa on flood control and related matters, Elisha Ebijimi, explained the process, confirming the Fiwashaye Culvert a major spot for flood control in the state capital. While assuring residents of a flood-free town, the governor's aide confirmed that flashpoints in the state have been addressed and promised continuous efforts to secure against the natural disaster.
We have so many channels joined to Allah. I give this place, this is what we call secondary. So we have so many primary that are joined to this channel. After this channel go to Obaile, and Obaile have never been addressed before. Now, after this place, we are going to Obaile to address that point to discharge the water, because all this water discharge to Obaile.
From this spot, where 2 major canals in Akure, Ala and Osisi meet, this amphibious excavator will move to Obaile, another major flashpoint in the state capital. Omorinola Hungbeji, OSRC News.